Hey, this is Ronald from Math Skills University, and this is a pro tip in Davinci Resolve 19 on how I created this UFC fighter video trailer. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. I also did a complete lesson on this in CapCut and a pro tip in Filmora 14. Without further ado, let's get started. The video assets used are from pexels.com. They are free and they are linked below in relative order. The song is from Epidemic Sound. I have various links below to this song. It's called Back Down by Donell Mase or Donell Mase, and my sound effects are from Epidemic Sound and various sources from YouTube. The first thing I did was to cut this song down to about 1 minute and 4 seconds, I think, and then I marked the time beats on it, and then brought in the video assets according to the time beats. Make our cuts, just bring them in, and I'm going to speed this up. And then I brought in the video of the two guys touching gloves, and I cut it right there. I put the first one on the end and then created a copy. I resized it so all you can see are the gloves. I changed the compositing on the first glove tap to linear dodge and kept the second glove tap at normal. And we got this. Then I resized and retimed the second glove tap video. And then I started bringing in sound effects. And now I'm going to add in different sound effects that correspond to whatever's playing in the video. I'm going to speed this up. What I did here was zoom into his hand and out of her hand. So this is what it ended up looking like. We all know what it sounded like. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until we meet again, have a great and creative day. Peace.